It's a tricky thing. When is the correct time to use your gun in self-defense? But during an argument, is never a good idea to use deadly force unless you think you are in imminent danger of death or great bodily harm. In this video, I'll break down a school shooting that happened in October of 2021 in Texas that reminds us how a firearm is never an answer to a verbal argument. Quick reminder before we get into this, we have a gun giveaway going on. It's going on right now. You can enter for free, but it ends really soon. Just click the link in the description down below to reveal which brand new gun you could win. Okay, you may have heard about the shooting that took place at a Texas high school back in 2021. According to the available details that we have, calls came into local law enforcement around 9:15 a.m. on Wednesday, October 6th, about an unlawfully armed individual at Timberview High School in Arlington, Texas. 4 people were wounded in an altercation with a firearm that likely began with a fight. The building was on lockdown with students, staff, and teachers inside. It was then cleared a few hours later. Now, according to news reports, a pregnant teacher was injured in a fall during the incident and was treated at the scene. 3 others were transported to nearby hospitals, 2 of them with gunshot wounds. The injured included a 15-year-old boy in critical condition, a 25-year-old man in good condition, and a teenage girl in good condition. An 18-year-old male student fled the scene but later turned himself in to authorities. The suspect, who opened fire in a classroom, has since been charged with 3 counts of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. This is truly a tragedy. It's tragic whenever a gun is used negligently or maliciously, especially when innocent people are injured and innocent lives are lost. And during these tragic times, a lot of people want to put the blame on the firearms community. They try to perpetuate an incorrect stereotype that gun owners and 2A organizations are callous, cold, or uncaring. But nothing could be further from the truth. Gun owners and 2A organizations care very much. Regarding this incident at Timberview High School, I was relieved to read that it was not an act of random violence. In this case, some deranged individual did not choose to target school children in a murderous rage. But I was dismayed to hear that the misuse of a firearm was the result of a fight. In details that came out a few days after the incident, several reports shared the suspect was repeatedly bullied and robbed at school. A family spokesperson for the suspect addressed reporters outside the 18-year-old boy's home. This spokesperson stated that the fight had stemmed from an ongoing dispute between the suspect and some other students, but an 18-year-old should certainly not have been in possession of that gun at the school. This young person should never have used a gun to solve this particular problem. The spokesman commented, and here's a quote, "The decision he made, taking the gun, we're not justifying that. That was not right, but he was trying to protect himself." The reality is that a firearm used in self-defense is used only against an imminent deadly threat. And we want you to understand what happened. As the parent of 2 kids, I feel for anyone who is physically or emotionally tormented by others. But a firearm is never the answer to an argument. It's imperative that all gun owners and gun users understand that a firearm as an option for self-defense is only as a last resort. It is an equalizer that may provide protection during a dynamic critical incident in which death or great bodily harm is imminent and inescapable. A gun is not a quick solution to a bothersome issue. It's the last resort when nothing else will do and there's no other way to stop the threat. We need to teach our young people this. As responsibly armed Americans, we need to make this clear, and we need to teach children effective problem-solving technique. We can't just allow them to grab a gun and try to solve a problem. Thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. And a quick reminder, again, we have a gun giveaway going on right now. It ends really soon. All you have to do is click the link below and reveal which brand new gun you could win. I'm Kevin Michalowski, Director of Content for the U.S. Concealed Carry Association. If you enjoy videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell. We'll notify you every time something new comes out. Stay safe. We'll see you in the next video.